Hi there guys and girls. Good afternoon. I'm already here now inside the what's this? Beauty, not a beauty salon. Oh my gosh, I forgot to ask. How can I call their how can I call this establishment? I'll be having my warts removal, but I can't avail the 4 voucher that I am having because one at a time only, and only 5 pieces that they should, and only it's a flat one, flat ones, not the bigger ones or not so big, or those who are extreme. So, and then they asked me to take off my clothes, and I told her, is it okay? Should I remove, even though it's the treatment will be here only in neck, but still I have to take it off because it might be spilled by something that they will put, I think anesthesia or whatever cream. So I'm waiting for the attendant to have my treatment. Shout out to each everyone of you. Hi, hold on.